we gather to embark on a promising journey towards greater civic engagement and a collective decision making. This assembly is not just a gathering of individuals. It is a forum for your voices, ideas, and aspirations. It represents our commitment to fostering democracy at its finest, an opportunity for each of you to participate in shaping the policies that affect our lives and future. Each voice matters and each opinion counts. We believe that together we create an informed, more compassionate, and more united community in Benue State.
This is democracy in action. Someone says all politics is local. Flip that statement and change it to all development is local.
President, we hear your cries and know what your worries are, and then he will deal with them real time.
Fulfill my responsibilities.
To fulfill my responsibilities.
Diligently.
Diligently.
And to the best of my abilities.
And to the best of my abilities.